day 2 at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center in San Antonio, Texas. We've got Gerald and Tom, and Gerald has a few opening comments for us.
Well, we've had a great show here. We're very excited about the participation of some of our shareholders coming all the way from Nebraska and Miami, Florida. What an experience that was for them to come in and see what they invested in, what they put their family's money in, and to see it actually happening in front of their eyes. So we're excited about where we are. Our next steps will obviously be ramping up production in Coste. We'll be able to announce that in the near future. And so between Tom's technical expertise building our state-of-the-art facility in San Antonio and also overseeing the expansion in Webster City, it's a time for us to sit back and say our prayers and say what a happening this has happened for us in less than 1 year. So it's pretty exciting. Be happy that you invested in NaturalShrimp, and we go forward from here today.
Okay, thank you. Tom, any additional comments from you?
Sure, I just wanted to say I think the show's been a great success here. We were able to bring shrimp from the Coste, put it out here in the aquariums to show people the live shrimp and how good they're doing. And as we ramp up production, like Gerald said, the booth turned out really good. We had a real good showing. Like Gerald said, we had shareholders come by that we were able to talk with for a while, and it worked out really well. I appreciate everyone coming by for that, and we look forward to the next time we get together.
Okay, well, thank you, Tom.
One other thing I'd like to say.
Yes, sir.
One thing I've been able to convey to our shareholders, which it's really hard to believe, and it's hard for even Tom and I to think about, is that August 12th of last year, in 2020, we had our still delivered to Coste. So since August 12th of last year, Tom's been able to design, develop, and build, install with all the technology, all the building, and all the tanks and the infrastructure that goes with it, hiring people, training people that we didn't have. And we're here today at the TRA Convention Center, displaying shrimp that's been grown in that facility in less than 1 year. It's pretty amazing time, and it's really a credit to what Tom and Mike Pineda and everybody's done in Coste. And I thank everyone being patient with us and going with us on this trip.
Okay. Well, thank you, Tom and Gerald.
Welcome, everybody. Good morning. Second day here at TRA Show, San Antonio. Today, again, another awesome day. We're going to be cooking different kind of recipes right now. I'm starting on a batter, which has onions in it, sauteed onions, raw onions. It's a tempura batter. It's like yesterday with the banana, we're just switching it up a little bit. So actually, we're going to dip the shrimp in this batter, and you're going to taste onion ring battered shrimp.
Nice. Good morning. My name is Jackie. I'm doing social media. I'm posting on the NaturalShrimp Facebook page, so if you don't already follow it, go ahead and follow. It's just NaturalShrimp. Also, I'll be posting videos and photos after the event, so just stay tuned for that.
Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you.
Day 2, Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center, and you're looking at the aquarium with our shrimp in it. Now, a question you might be asking is, are these the same shrimp that were in the tank on day 1? I just discussed that point with Douwe, and he assures me these are the same shrimp. They did not bring in a fresh batch of shrimp today. So let's take a look at how active and how healthy they are, and you make your own judgment. I'm going to try to get in as close as I can. This is just a fascinating look at these creatures. Now on my screen, the focus is still pretty good on this guy. I hope he's coming through okay on Facebook.
What we're doing here right now, I've created a tempura batter, but not just a tempura batter, a banana tempura batter. So what I did, I pureed 2 bananas, mixed in some tempura batter, some water, and some salt. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to drench the shrimp in the batter, and we're going to fry them.
No.
Boom. I'm going to do 2 right now just to show you. And whoever comes over, we'll let these 2 gentlemen taste it. Who are these 2 gentlemen? I think they're shareholders.
You said we get special stuff, right?
Hey, everybody's equal, but of course, you know, I got a soft spot for the shareholders. See how they pop up? So once the batter starts cooking,
Let me get a close up.
get a close up.
Oh yes, it's looking good.
And well, in the meanwhile, what I got right here, some shrimp heads. These are not cooked. I'm gonna make some stock out of this. This could be later on, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We're gonna make a shrimp risotto out of this stock.
Approximately how long do these need to cook?
So when you see they're starting to change color, when they start getting golden brown, they're done. So I'm gonna pull them like really right now in a couple seconds. You look at it, they're getting golden brown. You don't want them to burn it.
That looks golden brown.
Right,
Yeah, it
that's
sure
it.
does.
Here we go.
Okay.
Pull it out. Excess grease off.
I know.
So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt on here.
What kind of salt is that?
I'm a sucker. This is the salt that I always use at home, and I use the pink Himalayan salt because I love it. Banana tempura.
So I gotta get the honest reaction here.
That's good.
No exaggeration, honest opinion.
I know it's good. Very good, dude. Different, huh? Taste some banana a little bit in the background, not too much, slightly.
Wow, that's good.
Simple.
Did you have another one to pass out?
I just did right there. Another shareholder has one. That's Fred Clausen over there.
Fred Clausen, step a little bit closer and give me your unbiased opinion of this
Don't
shrimp.
burn your mouth. It's really hot, Fred. Just hold on. Don't listen. There you go.
Average of $80 an hour. Jobs that are year-round, indoor,
Wonderful.
seasonal, not
Very fresh.
cost.
I tried the smaller ones earlier, and my mouth's burning right now because it was picking off the grill.
Now, can you really taste the banana flavoring in it? I can't wait to try that.
Yep, just great job.
Excellent.
The shrimp that makes it go.
Thank you, Fred. You have volunteered to give your reaction to this.
Oh, wow. That's good.
And the peel.
That's really good.
All right.
I gotta get this other one for my wife.
Well, is this the best sample of anything you've had at the TRA show so far?
Absolutely. Look. Yeah, that's really good.
Thank you. That's so simple.
Very good.